In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set page size in Google Sheets. Start by opening your spreadsheet in Google Sheets. At the top left, click File, then choose Print. This opens the print preview. On the left, you'll see a live preview of how your sheet will look on paper. On the right, here is a settings panel where you'll control page size and layout. It's helpful to glance at the preview as you make changes, because it updates in real time and shows you exactly where content might run off the page. Find the paper size drop-down in the right-hand panel. This is where you tell Google Sheets the physical page you plan to print on. Click the drop-down to see the available options. Choose the dimensions that match your needs. Common choices include letter, which is standard in the United States, and A4, which is widely used internationally. If your sheet is especially wide or you are preparing a larger document, you might pick a 3 for more space. As you switch between sizes, watch the preview. If columns or charts were getting cut off before, a larger size can give them room without shrinking text too much. If none of the presets fit what you need, select Custom Size from the same drop-down. You'll be able to type in an exact width and height. Make sure you enter measurements in the units shown and choose values that match the paper you'll actually print on. After entering your custom dimensions, check the preview again to confirm everything fits inside the page boundaries. While you are here, refine the layout. In the same panel, adjust the orientation to portrait for taller pages or landscape for wider sheets. Switching to landscape is a quick way to accommodate more columns. Next, set margins to control the white space around your content. Narrow margins can help fit an extra column or two, whereas wider margins can improve readability. Use the preview to verify that headers, footers, and data aren't getting clipped at the edges. When everything looks right, click Next to move to your browser's print dialog. From there, select your printer or destination and confirm the settings. That's it. Thanks for watching.